DRUNKFX. We got the epic rap battle between JRR versus Straight. Or shut up, let's do this, people. Like and subscribe. Oh, that's right. Of course you fucking kill him, man. Fucking Game of Thrones. Oh. 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 Great. Oh. This is. He's like, wipe him up, man. You better come back. George. Oh. Motherfucker does look like Santa Claus. Good point, good point. Oh, he can't even see his dick. Heavy body odor. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. That was pretty legit. Oh, what do you guys think who won? Let's go back and forth. There's a little bit of that battle, this and that. Jeez, the George or the RR. Damn, it's really hard to say who won that one. I'll let you guys duke it out in the comments below. I'm gonna stay a little bit neutral, I think, on this one. Normally I don't do that. I usually try to pick a side, but between the two of them, I'm not a huge fan of Lord of the Rings or Game of Thrones. Some of their other work I do appreciate, so that's why I'm kind of just in the background. So like and subscribe, follow.